Hello. Today we're going to explore about foundation models for AI solutions and how to choose the right one that aligns with your business needs. Then also I'll introduce a few platforms to help you compare and evaluate foundation models. In today's fast-paced business environment, organizations are constantly seeking innovative solutions to boost efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth. Generative AI provides a powerful way to achieve these goals by automating processes, personalizing interactions, and generating content at scale. To fully harness the potential of generative AI, businesses must first define their specific needs. For example, are you looking to improve customer support with AI-powered chatbots? Or do you want to generate personalized marketing content? Clearly outlining your objectives is the first step in selecting the right foundation model for your project. Now let's learn about foundation models in more detail and how to choose the right one. As you can see based on the diagram, for implementing an AI solution, it's very important to select the right foundation model. A foundation model serves as the backbone of your AI application, providing the capabilities needed for various tasks, from text generation to image generation and video generation. Selecting the appropriate model can drastically impact the effectiveness of the AI solution. Some considerations for choosing a foundation model are ensuring the model aligns with the specific task you want to perform. For instance, if your focus is on natural language processing, model like GPT-4 or BERT might be more suitable. Or if you're looking at life sciences, PodBERT might be a better option. For text classification, BERT or StillBERT, and so on. A great platform that I could suggest here for exploring different models is Hugging Face platform, where you can choose different foundation model based on the category and look at each of them. See how many people have used them. For example, this one is for video generation, Pyramidflow, and it's quite an interesting, basically, foundation model to use. The next consideration is performance metrics. Evaluate models based on relevant metrics like accuracy, speed, and scalability. Then also you need to consider whether the model can be fine-tuned to better meet your unique business requirements, or you don't need the fine-tuning and prompt engineering is enough. Then you need to understand the cost implications of using different models and their availability across platforms. For example, here are the pricing for the two foundation models that we used for one of our projects using Amazon Bedrock. AI21 Labs, we used it for text generation, and based on that specific usage, it has a specific pricing. Similarly, Stability AI, that for image generation has a specific cost per generated image. Now let's look at how do we evaluate which foundation model is better. One approach is benchmarking, comparing model performance using standardized datasets. You can find different datasets here on Hugging Face. There are different platforms as well available. Or you can look at papers with code which has many datasets. Then you can gather the insights from those who have deployed the models in real-world scenario. There are also platforms that you can compare foundation models visually. For example, LM-Arena is one of the examples that allow you to compare foundation models. If you go to the Arena side by side, it lets you to choose different foundation model. For example, I use LLAM 3.2 and GPT-4, for example, mini version. So then I could ask the same question and see how they perform here. This platform enables users to compare various foundation models based on their performance and use cases. You can find detailed insights on model capabilities, helping you make an informed decision. As you can see here, each foundation model can show us that how the text look like. For example, GPT-4 or Mini provided a very comprehensive, detailed instruction on how I could basically make a coffee at home without the coffee machine. It gave me 5 different options. The way that LLAM provided the detail, it provided the 4 methods and quite short and quick. Then also OpenAI Playground provided an interface that allows you to experiment with OpenAI's model directly. You can input different prompts and see how various models respond, giving you practical insights into their capabilities. For example, if I compare GPT-4 Turbo and GPT 3.5 Turbo and ask the same question, how to make a coffee at home without coffee machine, and let's see what it says. GPT 3.5 Turbo provided the answer, finished with the answer. GPT-4 Turbo is still writing, very comprehensive instruction on how to do it, different step as we got it in the previous one. So the 4 different methods on how I could make a coffee at home without the coffee machine. Another factor that you want to consider when comparing foundation model is the infrastructure requirements. One of the platforms that you can basically look at the hardware specification for a foundation model is Kaggle. You can choose one of the foundation models that you want to compare and basically go through the details. They have provided a comprehensive details about the foundation model, such as hardware, software details. So they are running on a GPU. Then also it provides as well some details on risk and bias, risk and safety of the foundation model. For example, this one has passed the child safety risk assessment. It passed the cyber attacks as well. So these are also good. So you can get the better idea on how that foundation model performs. So basically, these are the ways that you can compare foundation models effectively. In conclusion, transforming business needs with generative AI is an exciting journey that requires careful consideration in selecting the right foundation model. By leveraging platforms like LMRNA.ai and OpenAI Playground, businesses can evaluate their options and make informed decisions that align with their specific objectives. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about how to build the real-world examples using AI solutions.